Respected principal, teachers, and dear classmates, good morning. The topic of my speech is Pakistan Defense Day. Before starting, let me tell you why there is our defense in it. In September, our neighbor and arch rival India attacked Lahore, Sialkot, and the desert area of Sindh. They had advanced weapons, tanks, and other missiles. We didn't have any advanced weapons like India, but still, our soldiers successfully defended our country. They fought bravely and gave their blood, so now we could live peacefully. घोड़े की बागें थामे हुए बेदार हैं हम, तैयार हैं हम। घोड़े की बागें थामे हुए बेदार हैं हम, तैयार हैं हम। हर लम्हा हर आहट पे एक काफरो खबरदार हैं हम। Dear friends, you all know, on the dawn of the attack, the Indian Army Chief said that they would take breakfast in Lahore. His wish could not be fulfilled at that time, but decade later, Indian pilot Abhinandan tried to attack Pakistani territory. His plan was the shot in the air by Pakistani pilot. Later, he was rescued from the mob. Then Abhinandan bravely fulfilled the wish of his former Indian Army chief by drinking tea, and he liked tea and said that tea is fantastic. Jokes aside, it's our army is immaculate, training that we fight hard till the last minute. किसी ने कसर न छोड़ी हमें मिटाने की, किसी ने कसर न छोड़ी हमें मिटाने की, खुदा खुद मुहाफिज रहा हमारा हर जमाने में. We enjoy freedom on the cost of our soldiers' lives. Dear friends, we enjoy freedom today because our troops laid their lives. They protected our motherland with their blood. सो जाओ अजीजों के फसीलों पे हर एक सेम, हम लोग अभी जिंदा व बेदार खड़े हैं. हमने इस सरजमीन से अपनी जान और रूह के एवज ये सौदा कर लिया. हमने इस सरजमीन से अपनी जान और रूह के एवज ये सौदा कर लिया कि जब भी ये धरती माँ पुकारेगी, लहू अपना बहा देंगे, सर अपना कटा देंगे. Defense Day is also the perfect occasion to renew our pledge with Pakistan that we will work to make our country a better place, and also that we will not be intimidated or ordered by any foreign state. May Allah grant us the ability and determination to fulfill these pledges. I will end my speech on slogan Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you.